Welcome, fellow seekers of self-improvement. Today, we're exploring a crucial aspect of personal growth, identifying and managing the 10 types of people who might be holding you back. Imagine yourself in a hot air balloon, soaring towards ambitious goals, but noticing that your ascent is slower than expected. Looking down, you see people clinging to the basket, weighing you down. This is what happens when you surround yourself with the wrong people. They act as dead weight, hindering your progress. Often, we don't even realize these individuals are dragging us down. They could be longtime friends, family, or colleagues. Their influence is subtle, like a slow leak, gradually draining your energy, positivity, and drive. We'll examine 10 types of individuals who might be sabotaging your success. 1. Negative Neds. 2. Energy vampires. 3. Master manipulators. 4. Chronic complainers. 5. It's not my fault crowd. 6. Green-eyed monsters. 7. Narcissists. 8. Gossip gurus. 9. Growth stunters. 10. Fair-weather friends. You might think, I don't have toxic people in my life, but these types are masters of disguise. Identifying them is the first step to freeing yourself. We'll explore why they're harmful, share relatable stories, and offer practical tips for dealing with them, setting boundaries, changing your response, or, in some cases, removing them from your life. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. By the end, you'll ensure those 5 people lift you up, not drag you down. Ready to cut the sandbags and soar? 1. Negative thinkers. These individuals always focus on the negative, finding a storm cloud on the sunniest day. While realism is good, they take it to an extreme, sapping your motivation and making you doubt yourself. Sarah's co-worker, Dave, constantly predicted failure, deflating her excitement. Identify them by phrases like, "That'll never work, it's hopeless." Strategies: limit exposure, challenge their pessimism, redirect to solutions, surround yourself with positive influences. 2. Energy vampires. These individuals drain your life force. They're constantly in crisis, needy, demanding your time and energy without reciprocating. Mike's friend, Lisa, constantly called in crisis, leaving him exhausted and behind on his work. Identify them by constant crises, your feeling drained after interaction, their lack of interest in you, and their resistance to solutions. Strategies: set time limits, learn to say no, encourage professional help, practice self-care afterward. 3. Master manipulators. These individuals use emotions, guilt, fear, to control others. They gaslight, making you question reality. Tom's sister, Rachel, manipulated him into giving her money. Identify them by guilt trips, twisting words, playing the victim, and excessive flattery. Strategies: trust your gut, set firm boundaries, don't justify or explain, seek support. 4. Chronic complainers. These individuals find fault in everything, seeing problems but not solutions. Maria's colleague, John, constantly complained. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react." Maria learned to focus on her response, challenging John's negativity and protecting her peace of mind. Strategies: negative visualization, focus on your response, seek the lesson, embrace a more fatty. 5. It's not my fault crowd. These individuals never take responsibility. Alex's team member, Sarah, constantly had excuses for missed deadlines. Aurelia said, "You always own the option of having no opinion." Alex focused on what he could control: processes, briefs, check-ins, managing his own expectations and emotions. Strategies: focus on your actions, practice empathy, lead by example, maintain emotional equilibrium. 6. Green-eyed monsters. These individuals are consumed by jealousy, trying to diminish others' successes. Sophia's friend, Lisa, downplayed Sophia's achievements. Epictetus said, "Rejoice for those which you have." Sophia focused on her own accomplishments and responded with compassion. Strategies: practice gratitude, understand impermanence, cultivate compassion, focus on your character. 7. Narcissists. These individuals believe everything should revolve around them. They crave admiration, lack empathy, and have an inflated sense of self-importance. Sarah's boss, Mark, took credit for successes and blamed others for failures. Strategies. Emotional detachment. Set firm boundaries. Don't feed their ego. Focus on your growth. Remember your worth. 8. Gossip gurus. These individuals spread rumors and talk about others behind their backs. Marcus, a Roman soldier, learned to steer conversations to constructive topics. Identify them by starting conversations with, "Did you hear about?" Strategies. Remember what others say is beyond your control. Don't participate. Use gossip as an opportunity for self-reflection. 9. Growth stunters. These individuals consciously or unconsciously try to keep you at their level, discouraging your ambitions. Clea, dreaming of becoming a philosopher, faced discouragement but persevered with supportive mentors. Strategies. Indifference to criticism. Focus on your progress. Seek positive influences. Use their doubt as fuel. 10. Fairweather friends. These individuals only appear when they need something. Lucius, a generous Roman, learned to offer help in different ways, teaching his friend to fish instead of giving him a fish. Strategies. Set clear boundaries. Practice detachment. Use it as an opportunity for growth. Reflect on your behavior. In today's digital age, these challenges take on new dimensions. Be mindful of your digital footprint, organize your digital space, set boundaries, practice online empathy, use technology purposefully, practice digital detox. You are the architect of your life. You have the power to choose your responses, cultivate your character, and shape your environment. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." Be the person who lifts others up, the voice of reason, the steady presence others can rely on. True strength lies in mastering yourself. Ready to cultivate more positive and supportive relationships? Subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal growth and Stoic philosophy. Let's continue this journey together. Thank you for watching.